This is the NPET K10 gaming keyboard. It's a membrane keyboard, so it doesn't have any key switches. There's no switches under the keys. There's 4 modes of its LED. On right now is the breathing, but you could just switch them. Do the LED one. I like it breathing. It's because it's a membrane keyboard, it's kind of silent. I was pressing those pretty hard. It's not that loud. So yeah, I've had this for about a month. It's a pretty good keyboard for gaming if you're on a budget. Yeah, I hope that's helpful.
I had this for about a day. Of course, it's a little bit dirty already because, you know, I don't care. This is just how you switch it. Honestly, I haven't figured out how these CM buttons work, so whatever. I don't really care. It's just for work. It's got fancy logos, it's got some lights. It's pretty standard. It's got some fake switches, which is pretty good. That's information on the keyboard. It's got little legs. Alright, looks good.